This is the very first startup for this Banshee build. Fresh pistons, fresh bore, all new gaskets. The head was machined so that the pistons would not hit anymore. I had the left foot peg off here, so I figured I just didn't have enough patience. I wanted to get it going, and then stupid Banshees, the way they kick, you only get like a 4-inch throw on everything. But I left it running like this because I want you to see I'm not pulling any tricks. I'm gonna go over, get the foot peg, just put it on finger tight, and hopefully within 10 kicks after this it'll be running, eh? Two sizes richer main jet. Right here I pull the choke. Getting a little more on the idle here. First heat cycle, let it get good and hot. Idling, a couple of blips in the throttle, and let it get completely cold and do it all over again a couple more times. Should be ready to rip. Well, if it isn't my old arch nemesis. This thing's really been testing me, boys. Good thing is, I just got a brand new stator back from Electro Sport. We're going to throw it in there, put the flywheel on, maybe zip tie the CDI back up in there. I kind of just took everything apart in a fit of rage last time, so my apologies. You know, when I had that engine looking so nice and looking for me checking the spark all them times and different things, it just chazzled. Ugh. But yeah, let's get a new stator put back into it once again and check it for spark. Once again, setting the ambiance. I'm going to kick it over. I'm not confident that it's going to have spark. The only thing that's left is the flywheel. That can be the only thing it is if we don't have spark right now. I don't see any spark. I don't see any spark. And I'd had this coil on my Tecate to check. By the way, my Tecate needs a CDI box. I don't know what's going on with all this electrical stuff lately. I had a friend of mine that had an MSD box go out on his hot rod, and it's like, he's never heard of one of them things like going out, or you know what I mean, just sitting there. I think we're getting EMP'd, or they're microwaving us, and it's messing up some of these light electronics. Anyways, like I said, I'm going to check the plug. Maybe even just, I'm going to squirt some gas down the carburetor just to see if it does anything, but flywheel next. Apologize the wind and the wind chimes. She's going home, boys. We're just gonna put it back over there. He's got a climate controlled garage, so it's getting kind of nasty here with the changing of the weather, getting cold at night. The shed that I put it in is sweating, so the thing is just, it's not, the condensation is just killing it. It came out of the desert, so. But yeah, we'll see it another day. We got to put a flywheel on it. It should fire up. Here's all the different parts that are going back with it. So I can't wait. Still can't wait to hear this thing run. But we got that Banshee going, so I proved to myself that I still know how to do this, I guess. So thanks everybody for subscribing. We will see you soon. I think I might just go pop some wheelies. Going around winterizing everything, filled this thing up with gas, took it around the block, Gonna wind it out a couple times, blow the cobwebs off. Wasn't pulling on top end really. Got a nice little hotel going on in here. Holy shit. That's probably my problem. He has just got that thing plumb full. Wow. You know, I thought because it's a uni filter and I have it oiled, that would keep... Oh man, that was a nice little cozy place for him. Apparently, he's gonna be burnt when he comes back. Unreal. Wow. Yeah, I'm gonna have to seal this off. I would say it's probably plugged. There's my top end problem. Unreal. Like I say though, I don't know if you can see in there, it's gonna need something. I was worried about that. Thanks again to all my new subscribers. Real happy to get that Banshee going. Prove to myself that I still know how to do this stuff. That CR500 is fighting me still, but it's going to be worth it because the things that test you the hardest are usually worth the most at the end. Does that make sense? So, yeah, my Tecate needs a brain box CDI, so stuff will be coming. Thanks again, guys. Pop wheelies.